Hi, I'm Cori Lau. Today I'm going to teach you some basic video camera framings. Framing is the size or range that the camera captures. It is one of the most useful shooting techniques to film. Different framings will give different feelings and bring the focus on certain objects or the background. There are 7 types of basic video camera framings. They are extreme wide shot, very wide shot, mid shot, medium close-up shot, and extreme close-up shot. The first one I'm going to teach you is extreme wide shot. It is usually used as an establishing shot, which is the first shot of the new scenes. Establishing shots shows the place where the actions take. Therefore, it is used in a war movie to show the scale of the action. Very wide shot is closer than extreme wide shot. It focuses on the object or subject more than the extreme wide shot. Wide shot is a shot that the subject takes up the full frame. The bottom part of the subject almost touches the bottom part of the frame, while the top part of the subject almost touches the top part of the frame. So the frame will not cut off any part of the subject. If the subject is a person, the top part is the head and the bottom part is the feet, since the purpose of wide shot is to focus on the entire person. Mid shot is one of the most common shots. It is a comfortable and casual shot, so it is used for casual conversation and deliver information. For example, filming a television news presenters uses a mid shot. The frame will approximately take the size of head to waist. This will allow some movement for the subject, such as hand gesture. Medium close-up shot is halfway between a mid shot and a close-up shot. It is used for casual conversation with more emotion compared to a mid shot. For example, the top half of a person takes up most of the frame, which is approximate a size from head to chest. A close-up shot is a part of the subject takes up the space of most of the frame. Most people will use close-up shot for focusing on a person's head, which takes up most of the frame. The purpose of this is to emphasize the facial expression of the person. An extreme close-up shot is for focusing on the details of certain small objects of a subject. For example, people use extreme close-up shot on a person's eyes. Normally, there's a specific reason for this shot, such as emphasizing even more emotion or reaction of a person. Basic video camera framing can be combined with basic camera movement, such as panning and tilting. Panning rotates the camera along the horizontal axis, which can be from the left to right or right to left. It is used for taking a video of a moving object that moves horizontally. Tilting rotates the camera along the vertical axis, which can be from the top to bottom or bottom to top. It is used to compare or change the focus of the top and bottom of an object. It is also used for focusing on an object that moves vertically. There are rules for framing. We have to ensure that the camera is not tilted to a side. Rules of framing requires rules of third. It basically divides the frame into different sections with 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. This will help cinematographists or people who record the video to make a better shot and focus. When we are recording a video, we have to be careful with rooms. There are 3 types of room or space to be careful with. They are headroom, looking room, and leading room. Headroom is the space between the top of the head and the top of the frame. The frame should not cut off the head, or the head is not at the center of the frame, unless it is used for some special reasons. When we are recording a video that the subject is looking at a direction that is not to the camera, we should leave some space at the direction of the subject looking, which is known as looking room. When we are recording a video that the subject is moving to a direction, we have to leave some space at the direction of the subject moving to, which is known as leading room. We have to pay attention to the background, lighting, and distracting objects. If they are not necessary, they should be removed. Otherwise, they are distracting. We also should be cautious about the edge of the frame. which should not cut the object's face in half at the joint points. These ways will make the framing to look comfortable. Thank you for listening to my tutorial.